Today we're diving into the world of free local news streaming apps. If you've cut the cord and still want to stay up to date with what's happening in your neighborhood, well, you're in luck. Let's explore 7 apps that let you stream local news for free on your Philips Smart TV. Number 1 on our list is News On. This free app offers live and on-demand news from over 275 channels in 165 U.S. markets. With News On, you can easily access local news channels from various cities right from your smart TV or smartphone. Next up, we have Haystack News. This app provides streaming for local, national, and global news all in one place. You can customize your news feed and stay informed about local trends, nationwide events, and global dialogue. Moving on to Local Now, a fantastic app for streaming local news, weather, traffic, and sports. With Local Now, you not only get access to local news channels, but also a wide selection of shows and movies for streaming. Now let's talk about CBS News. This app gives you access to local CBS News in major metropolitan cities across the country. Stay informed about the economy, international affairs, sports, and more, all for free. Pluto TV is another excellent option for free local news streaming. With a local CBS News feed and a variety of entertainment content, Pluto TV offers something for everyone. Next, we have ABC News. This app provides live primetime news broadcasts along with local news coverage. You can also enjoy ABC originals like Good Morning America and The View, all in one convenient app. Last but not least, NBC News offers streaming of local, national, and international news, along with primetime investigation shows. With NBC News, you can stay on top of trending topics and local stories. And there you have it, 7 apps that let you stream local news for free. Whether you're interested in local, national, or international news, there's an app for you. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.